7 things women want from men but will never tell them. There are whispers in every relationship, soft unspoken needs that women carry quietly in their hearts. They may not voice them, but they long for men to see, to feel, and to understand. Today, we uncover 7 of those desires, things women want deeply, but will never put into words. 1. To feel chosen, every single day. It's not enough to have said, "I love you" once upon a time. Women want to feel chosen again and again. When a man looks at her across the room with the same admiration he had when they first met, her soul feels safe. She will never say it, but she craves that reassurance, that no matter how many people cross his path, she is the one. 2. Emotional safety. A woman may appear strong, unshakable even, but inside, she longs for a place where she can lay her fears bare without judgment. She wants to know that if she cries, he won't dismiss her tears. If she shares her darkest thoughts, he won't use them against her. Emotional safety is a fortress she cannot build alone. She hopes her man will build it with her. -3. Silent acts of thoughtfulness. It's not always the big gestures. Often, it's the little things. A cup of tea made without asking. A hand placed gently on her back while walking. A blanket pulled over her when she falls asleep on the couch. She might never ask for these, but when a man does them, her heart whispers, "He sees me." 4. Admiration beyond beauty. Every woman knows beauty fades. What she silently hopes is that a man sees more than her face, more than her body. She wants him to admire her laughter, her resilience, her intelligence. When he compliments her mind, when he notices her effort, when he praises the woman she is becoming, she glows in a way no mirror could ever capture. 5. A man who leads with kindness, not control. Many women are afraid to voice this. They want strength in a man, yes, but strength wrapped in kindness. Leadership without domination. Guidance without belittling. A man who makes decisions not to overpower her, but to protect what they are building together. She may never ask aloud, but she yearns for the kind of strength that feels like safety, not prison. 6. Loyalty when no one is watching. She may never say it out loud, but she thinks about it. What does he do when she's not around? How does he speak about her when others aren't listening? Loyalty, in its purest form, is not just about physical faithfulness, it's about being her protector even in her absence. Every woman secretly wants to be loved in such a way that she knows, without question, she is his anchor, even when temptation knocks. 7. To be fought for. Life gets heavy. Relationships face storms. Deep down, every woman wants to know that if trouble comes, be it distance, difficulty, or doubt, her man won't give up easily. She wants him to fight for her, for them, for what they've built together. She won't admit this out loud because vulnerability is frightening, but her soul craves the assurance that love is not fragile, but unbreakable when both choose to hold on. At the end of it all, women don't want perfection. They don't want endless riches, nor grand gestures scripted from a movie. What they want, what they will rarely admit, is to be seen, to be cherished, and to be chosen. Over and over, in silence and in storm, in youth and in age. And when a man learns to give her these 7 things, not because she asked, but because he understood she would never let him go.